To some it might be distasteful, to others the perfect green solution: brewing beer out of rainwater. In an effort to use excessive summer rainfall, a group of Amsterdam entrepreneurs and a small local brewery joined forces to create a sustainable solution to the problem.
With the team, we worked on creating a solution, and in the meantime, I was brewing my own beers. And I thought I need water to make beer, and we have this problem of these heavy rainfalls. So why don't we combine these two?
All the water that's caught on the roof is transferred to this huge silo in the back. We have a pump in there with a filter that, of course, takes all the core stuff out. This water is still standing. Then it goes through the hose into this filter, and it comes out clean.
It sounds simple. Catch rainwater on the roof, filter it and brew beer. But it raised some eyebrows when Hoebe approached brewery PRAEL.
We started talking about brewing beer with rainwater, and I was very excited but also a bit shocked because I had never heard of it. But soon we got to the process that we would like to do it because it's the first time it has ever been done by my knowledge, and it's a very innovative project.
Since March, the team collected more than 1,200 liters of rainwater to eventually produce 1,000 liters for a bitter blonde. Collecting rainwater was one thing, but filtering it for consumption was another challenge.
So we made sure it's been filtered, it's been cooked, so there are no bacteria, there are no Legionella infections. We don't want to have that in our beer, so that's the main step, which takes a lot of time, which you don't normally do when you brew beer.
The first batch of beer, called Hemelswater, which translates as heavenly water, is almost sold out. And now that Hoebe has convinced one brewery to start making beer with rainwater, he says he's on a mission to persuade more industries to use water from heavy rainfalls.
We want to focus on products that are consumer friendly and also use a lot of water. So for instance, soup is an option, or paper is also an option. The paper industry uses a lot of water. So we're thinking of all these fun stuff people can buy and can use, but also as a tool to make people aware of the problem of these heavy rainfalls.
With climate change, summers in some part of Europe, like the Netherlands, are likely to become wetter, so there will be enough free water for all kinds of uses. Serginho Roosblad for VOA News, Amsterdam.